thank you for stopping by the garage. I've got the King Yellow G6-01 on the bench. If you remember from the last video, it was our first run with the new brushless setup. And I used a jump with a kind of a flexible old sign, and it kind of gave the old G6-01 a little bit too much launch, and we snapped a hub. I don't know if you can see in there. There it is, right there. Just pretty simple. Take that one off, put a new one on. So that's what I'm on the bench doing today. And I've got these Racing aluminum ones upgraded. I've had pretty good luck with Racing parts. I like them. You get them from RC Mart. The only downside is it takes, I don't know, a week, 10 days, sometimes 2 weeks to get them because they do come from Hong Kong. So here's our directions. It's simply just take the old one off, put the new one on. Should fit. And these will be a little tougher. The only thing I do have to worry about is instead of the hub breaking, now that it's aluminum, we have to watch that A-arm. But I won't be building a ramp like that anymore that has way too much launch, so I think we'll be okay. And then the other side, we also lost a dog bone. Actually had some dog bones that fit, but kind of on all my Tamiya cars, as I lose a dog bone, I have been switching over to these universal joints. What's it called? Spring steel shaft for Tamiya WR02 or GF01. G6-01 and GF01 pretty much share the same parts, so we should be okay on that. And that's what these look like. So it replaces the inside axle as well as the dog bone, 39mm. So now these are all one piece, so it won't come apart, and the dog bone won't come flying out because it's attached. So I'm going to go ahead and install these pieces, and I'll be right back so you can see the final results. And then this, we'll just screw in there. It fits. Huh? That's not right. Oops. Okay, I ran into an issue. I borrowed another hub off of my one of my other trucks, and it's the same size. So this 39mm works great with the standard hub. Apparently this Racing has a shorter throw, so I'm going to need a shorter joint or a different hub. So to get Logan back up and running, I'm just going to put this hub on this truck, and then I'll put the other one on the repair yard and figure out what I'm going to do with it. Alright, and there's King Yellow all fixed. You can see the universal joints in there. I left the wheel off on this one so it's easier to see what I've got going on here. Look, hit the camera. So there's a nice universal joint with the hub. So aluminum didn't work out. That's okay. That's repairs. Sometimes the parts just don't work the way they said they work. If it was the hub just without this part, what I needed, that's what I got. But I need this little extra bit, so I'll have to go back, look for different hubs, or I can, it'd have to be a different hub because it's got to have this little bit on it that, I don't know, see, nope, that won't work, like that. So it's just a little bit too short, so that's where the problem was. Well, when you're looking at websites, you can't see that. You put it on and go, uh-oh, it was, but it's all fixed. Logan is ready to run. We're supposed to get some snow tomorrow and then a lot of snow this weekend. And this thing is a blast in the snow with the 6-wheel drive. So that's the plan. It's back up and running. Anyway, thanks for stopping by the garage and take care.